guys, it's Christina DeCaro from Syracuse, New York, and I'm here and I just received my MCU package in the mail, which I'm so excited to open it, so why don't we go and open it together? Okay, so now we're gonna open it. I already love the welcome to the sisterhood. I'm so excited. I think that's so cute to have that on the package, like so customized and everything. I'm super excited. I'm trying to open it but be fragile. There we go. Good packaging skills, whoever wrapped this. Gotta use my muscles here. Okay, there we go. Very secured, especially with this weather lately. It's been very cold, a lot of storms. There we go. Keep on saying there we go, and then it's not fully open. There we go. Oh my gosh! This is so cute! Let's do a little bit of it. One little part I need it on. There we go. There we go. We did it. We did it. Oh my gosh. The packaging is so cute. Look. It's got all of their national queens, the Pageant system logo, an emerald box, green, love the color, and a box fit for a queen. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. And of course it says, this is Bella. This is Bella, my dog. She even loves it too. Anyways, let's continue on with the unboxing. Actually, I don't want to use scissors for that. Here we go. This is such a cute little tape. I'm gonna keep that on the box. Actually, I'm gonna put it right here. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is so cute, oh my gosh. First we have a cute little flower sticker for spring. Love spring, soon to come. And we have girl boss, girl power guys. And welcome to the sisterhood. Oh my god, this is so exciting. First, I have a rose eye mask. So excited to be able to use this later. It is Valentine's Day, the heart of love, and for self-care, of course. Then we have a green scrunchie. Oh my gosh, this is so soft and velvet. This is so nice. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited. And I feel like this is the big moment. It's covered in wrapping paper. Gotta make sure it's very nice and secure. This is something very special. Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. Oh my god. Thank you so much. No, thank you. I'm so excited to be able to join the sisterhood. I'm gonna go with this first. I love all the customized box. I love the customized stuff. This is so amazing. I'm so excited to be part of the MCU system. I'm really excited. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. I've been waiting for this. This is so pretty. Oh my god, the material, the color. I've been imagining this, but now that's in real life, it's... Thank you so much. I'm so excited. This is so cute. I'm so excited to be a part of the MCU family. Okay, now I'm so glad that's nice and wrapped. Oh my goodness, the crown is so beautiful. So here's the crown. Look at all the rhinestones. So pretty. I love how pretty it looks. I'm so excited to be able to wear this while doing all of my community service and everything that I'm doing with my platform. This is truly amazing, and I am so glad to be a part of the MCU sisterhood and to get straight to work with this new crown and sash. Thank you guys so much for this opportunity, and you'll sure see me there at Nationals coming up. Thank you guys so much. Bye!